Bismi,
in the name
Allah,
of Allah,
Ar-Rahmani,
the most gracious,
Ar-Rahim,
the most merciful.
Alhamdu,
All praises and thanks
Lillahi,
be to Allah,
Rabbi,
the Lord
Al-Alamin,
of the universe,
Ar-Rahman,
the most gracious,
Ar-Rahim,
the most merciful,
Maliki,
the master
Yawmi,
of the day,
Ad-Din,
of the judgment.
Iyaka,
You alone
Na'budu,
we worship,
wa Iyaka,
and you alone
Nasta'in,
we ask for help.
Ihdina,
Guide us
As-Sirata,
to the path,
Al-Mustaqim,
the straight,
Sirata,
the path
Alladhina,
of those
An'amta,
you have bestowed your favors
Alayhim,
on them,
Ghayri,
not of
Al-Maghdubi,
those who earned your wrath
Alayhim,
on themselves,
Wala,
and not
Ad-Dallin,
of those who go astray.